Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can rotate a prop and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, a prop is like cosmetic and grow a garden one. And if you want to obtain it, you need to buy crate from the shop. And then I'm going to place a prop in my garden. I'm going to go to the build menu and select build, and this is my prop inventory. I'm going to place it here. Okay, click on this icon to place the cosmetic, and I'm going to show you guys how you can rotate it. You can rotate it by clicking on the build menu, and you're going to select the prop, and you can use this green button to rotate like this. Okay, just tap and hold on the green button, and if you want to move, you can click on this blue button, and if you want to remove, just click on this red button. Okay, and it's done. Oops. Yeah, I've already rotated the prop just like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can rotate a prop and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.